Sarvadu Gordon, and my today's topic is object-oriented programming in Java. So today's date is 17 January 2024. In OOPS, object-oriented programming pattern that resolves around of concept of objects which can contain data in the form of fields, attributes, and code in the form of procedures, methods. Java is a widely used object-oriented programming language that others of principles of works in the details exploration will delve into a core principle of concept of object-oriented programming in Java without providing specific examples. In object-oriented programming uh, is a programming palindrome that are organized code into resolvable of self-contained unit of called objects. That objects encapsulate data and behavior, making easier to model real world entity of software. Java is a versatile and widely adopted programming language that are embraces of principle of OOPS, uh, four pillars of object-oriented programming. So first one is encapsulation. Encapsulation is the uh, binding of data and methods functions that operates on a data into a single unit and an object. The ensures that our internal workings of objects are hidden from a outside world, promoting information hiding of reducing system complexity. Next one, inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism that allows a new class, subclass, or derived class to inherit properties and behaviors from existing class. Superclass is the base class. The promotes of code received uh, extensibility and creation of hierarchical class structure. Third one is the polymorphism. Polymorphism allows object of different type to be threads as objects of a common type. This is achieved through method overriding and interface in inbuilding flexibility and extendability in a code. Fourth one, abstraction. Abstraction involves a simplifying complex system by modeling classes based on uh, initial characteristics. It will allow developers to focus on uh, relevant details while hiding unnecessary complexities. Abstract class and interface. There are interface are the key tool of abstract class. Second one, classes and objects in Java. First one, classes. A class is a blueprint of creation of object. It is defined as attributes and behaviors of that object of the class will be uh, proposed. In Java, uh, classes are used to model real world entity and are the foundation of creating objects. Next one is the object. Object is the instance of class that represents uh, a tangible entity of a program, each uh, each having a unique state of behavior. Object installation instantiation allows the rescue of code and creation of modular and maintainable system. Fourth one, access modifiers in Java. Java provides access modifiers to control a visibility of classes, method, and fields. There these modifiers public, private, protected, and default direct how to these elements is accessible from the classes and package, promoting encapsulation and security. Next one, constructor and destructors. Constructor are a specific method in Java classes responsible for initializing object instance. They are ensure the object of valid state of upon creation and may have different forms such as parameterized and default constructor. Next one, destructor. Uh, Java doesn't have explicit destructor destructors like some other languages. Instead, it is a real or it is a real life of garbage collection to the automatic reclaim memory occupied by objects that are no longer uh, reachable. Uh, Next one, interfaces and abstract classes. Interfaces define a contract of implementing class must be either to uh, this provide a way of achieve multiple inheritance and are used to achieve abstraction in Java. Abstraction in Java uh, are often used to provides a common base of for group of related classes. So that is about a concept in Java. Thank you.